Hello everybody and welcome to the new MA tips. This time we go on with our special master section and have a look at the Highlight and Lowlight Master. As you know, highlight can be a good way to identify fixtures in your rig. So we can enable highlight with the highlight button, and then we can select fixtures, and you can see that they get the highlight value and you can identify them very easy. Of course, this can be very difficult in live situations especially. So let's see how the Highlight Master can help us. We assign an executor using the assign key. Then we press an empty executor and we have a look at our master section at the top right corner. Within the grandMA3 section we can find the Highlight Master. We assign this Highlight Master, close the window, and you can see with the Highlight Master we can fade in and out the highlight value. So this is very good to fade in the highlight value very slowly. So especially in live situations, then you can see, oh, now I can identify them and turn off the highlight value again. Let's also have a look at the lowlight function. The lowlight function can be used with highlight together. Therefore, we have to turn on lowlight, which is the key combination MA and the highlight key. Of course, you know the next and previous buttons over there to change within your fixture selection. So we press next, and what we can see here is that now just one fixture of our original selection is really selected. The other fixtures get this dark yellow color. And they get the lowlight value, which is per default 50% dimmer and color blue. Again, we assign an empty executor. So we press the assign key, an empty executor. We have again a look at our master section, and in the grandmasters we can also find the lowlight master. So we assign this and we can see what the lowlight master does. It also fades in and out the lowlight value. So you can see that these special masters can be very helpful, especially to identify some fixtures in your rig in live situations. So have fun with the Highlight and Lowlight Master and see you next time for the MA tips.